समस्त को नमस्कार प्रणाम शुभ सकाळ. So today is the very auspicious day, third annual convocation of KIS deemed to be university. We have with us galaxy of eminent guests. Our honorable chief guest for this occasion, His Excellency Sri Raghuvar Das ji, Honorable Governor of Odisha. Similarly, we have with us our honorable guest of eminence, His Excellency Sri Vishwabhushan Harchandra ji, Honorable Governor of Chhattisgarh. Similarly, on the dais, we have with us the Honorable Chief Speaker for Convocation Address, respected Sri Amitabh Kant ji, G20 Sherpa of India, and also the former CEO Niti Aayog. We have also with us on the dais Parama Pujya Swami, His Holiness Chidananda Saraswati ji on the dais. Similarly, we have with us our other guest, our respected Ricky Kej ji, 3 times Grammy Award winner, and also respected Sri Shopendu Mahanti ji, Chief FinTech Officer at the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Also on the dais, our Honorable Chancellor of this KIS deemed to be university, Honorable Pro-Chancellor of this KIS deemed to be university, Honorable Vice Chancellor of this KIS deemed to be university, and also our respected Registrar of KIS deemed to be university, and also all the respected members both from academic and Board of Management present on the dais, and also on the audience side, Parama Pujya Baba Ramananda Das Maharaj ji, also our Honorable President of KIT and KIS Society, respected Srimati Sashwati Bal, Honorable Vice President of KIT and KIS Society, respected Sri Umapada Bose ji, and also respected Sri R.N. Das ji, Secretary of the KIT and KIS Society, our Honorable Professor N.L. Mitra ji, renowned academicians in law and the Professor Emeritus of KIT Universities and former Chancellor of KIT University on the audience side, our also own Honorable Vice Chancellor of KIT University on the audience side, and also Registrar of KIT University, Pro-Vice Chancellor of KIT Universities, and also our Honorable Niranjan BC ji, Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, also on the audience side, and also our all the other respected invited guests, and also the guest accompanying Parama Pujya Swami ji, and also CEO Amitabh Kant ji, and also Honorable Governor of Odisha and Chhattisgarh, and all other respected personalities present here, particularly respected guardians of the students receiving graduate degree today present here. आपण मानकु जुहार कि सुंदर देखा जाउछन्ती बा आपण माने निज निज ड्रेस रे आछन्ती. Respected our other academic and administrative fraternity both from KIT and KIS, my lovable KISian graduating today, respected press persons both from electronic and print media, and today is really a very special day because KIS is always close to everybody's hearts. That's why so many luminaries on the dais and so many on the audience also. As you are all aware of, I should not take much time, but it's my great pleasure as a founder of KIT and KIS. Though it is a convocation, I never come on the dais convocation of both KIT and KIS. As it is a KIS, it's my great pleasure to extend the heartiest welcome to honorable guest with a few words. That's why I am standing here. So, as you are all aware of, the KIS is the beauty of the entire world, eighth wonder of the entire world, as people say. KIS is a school, KIS is a college, KIS is a university. It is a house for the 80,000 tribal children, indigenous children, 40,000 pass out and 40,000 in the campus. It is the fully free, fully residential, and it is the only tribal university in the world exclusively for tribal children, that too fully free, fully residential. So we are very much honored that our distinguished personalities who have excelled in their fields and achieved eminence, now they are gracing the occasion. So I have already told that KISS is loved by one and all. As a founder of KIT and KISS, it's my great pleasure to extend the heartiest welcome His Excellency Sri Raghuvar Das ji in the midst of all of us, Honorable Governor of Odisha. Sri Raghuvar Das ji emerged from humble beginnings, worked at Tata Steel, ventured into politics during college time, and actively participated in the Jan Andolan, even faced imprisonment during the emergency. He is the founding member of the BJP and had held various leadership roles, including being the 5-time MLA from the Jamshedpur. He was also the minister, he was also the deputy minister, and he was also the 6th-time chief minister of the Jharkhand state, and he is the perhaps only non-tribal chief minister of the Jharkhand state, completed full term, showcasing his political acumen. He is a good person with a good heart, and that is evident from his ever-smiling faces. So, sir, we are very much grateful to you. After resuming the position of Honorable Governorship, this is your first program to KIT and KISS, and it is a KISS program. We all family members at KIT and KISS very much grateful to His Excellency for his kind consideration to grace this occasion. In spite of your busy schedule, President is coming also tomorrow. So we are very much grateful on behalf of the entire family members of both University KIT and KISS, on behalf of the entire gatherings, on my behalf, I welcome you, sir. Thank you very much for gracing this occasion. Similarly, we are very much happy that today is such a good coincidence. We have got 2 governors in our midst. We also have our own Sri Biswabhushan Harchandan ji, Honorable Governor of Chhattisgarh, and also former Governor of Andhra Pradesh. As a distinguished leader with a lifetime devoted to public service, democracy, and advocacy for the rights of the people, he is stalwart in socio-political landscape of Odisha. He has played an instrumental role in historical movements to uphold the cause of democracy. He brought many changes as a dynamic daredevil minister when he was. We thank him for enabling national recognition to Paiko Bidroh of 1817. His devotion to Ma, mother, Mati, motherland, and Manus, people, is unparalleled. You have truly lived up to your name, Biswabhushan. And indeed, you adorn the entire world. So, sir, we are also equally grateful to His Excellency, Honorable Governor of Chhattisgarh, Sri Biswabhushan Harichandan ji, for your kind consent to grace this occasion and to receive the honorary CASA from the KISS universities. I am personally grateful to you on behalf of the entire gatherings and on behalf of our family members of both KIT and KISS. On my behalf, I welcome you, sir. Thank you very much for giving the kind consent to grace this occasion also. We are very much happy that we have with us one very big stalwart from the government of India, and he is very popularly known now in the entire world. Because of his activity, dynamism, daredevil, and acumen, he is now known and visible in the entire world after the G20 summit. He is no other than our Honorable Sri Amitabh Kant ji, who was the Sherpa of the G20 presidency, and he was also the CEO of the Niti Aayog, that is the National Institutions for Transforming India, the Government of India's premier policy think tank body. And also prior to that, he was Secretary Government of India in many departments, many ministry, and he is an IAS officer also, and he has authored many books and is a wise young man who always wants to bring some positive change. So I am very much fortunate. I know and spend time, few hours, to legendary Amitabh of India, both superstar. One is real, other one is real. He is Amitabh Kanji. Justifies his name, boundless splendor. So I am personally grateful to him because I used to meet him once a while because he is a most busiest person also in entire government of India. But he never forgets to give me appointment. He loves me, my activities. So always he is informed about our work. So by the way, I extended request to Amitabh Kanji, sir, why not you should come and grace this occasion? It is the very beautiful occasion, convocation of the KIS University. So in spite of his schedule, he has come for few hours. He is leaving at 1 o'clock flight. So sir, I have no words to express my thanks and gratitude to you in person. And I am very much happy on behalf of the entire gatherings, on behalf of the two universities. On my behalf, I welcome you, sir. Thank you very much for coming and inspiring and encouraging all of us. Just now, all of them have also blessed the 40,000 children at KIS. Similarly, we have with us a rare combination in this midst that you know that I am a very good spiritual minded person. Whatever I am because of my spiritualism. So I never forget to pay my humble gratitude to the spiritual leader of Odisha or India or even beyond India. Today we are very much happy that with folded hands and bowed head, I welcome His Holiness Pujya Swami Chidananda Saraswati Ji, a spiritual luminary who embarked on a, so for our Chidananda Saraswati Ji, I should take 1 minute more with the permission of the Governor of Odisha, that His Holiness Pujya Swami Chidananda Saraswati Ji, touched by God at the tender age of 8. His Holiness Pujya Swami Chidananda Saraswati Ji left his home and family to lead a life devoted to God and humanity, spending his youth in silence in the dense forest, meditation and austerities in the Himalayas for 9 years. Today, he is one of India's and world's most revered and visionary spiritual leaders, a time karma yogi, and truly seeing the worship of Creator in the service of the creation. Pujya Swamiji has great visionary leadership to Paramartha Niketan Ashram in Rishikesh, India, for over 4 decades establishment of the ashram and its world-renowned Ganga Arati, the highly acclaimed international yoga festival, and many other things in his credit, and many awards also in the credit of Pujya Swamiji. So it's my great pleasure to extend the heartiest welcome with gratitude to Pujya Swamiji for coming to grace this occasion and particularly giving kind consent to receive the honorary Kosa from this beautiful university of the world meant for only humanity. KIS is the symbol of humanity not only in India but also in the entire world. And Pujya Swamiji has been doing the entire things from the age of 8 for the humanity. So he is the befitting persons to grace this occasion to bless us and to receive the honorary Kosa also from all of us. सबका अट्रैक्शन कहाँ पर है पता है? सबका अट्रैक्शन एक आदमी के ऊपर है. हम लोग यहाँ जितने खड़े हैं बैठे हैं किसी का ऊपर नहीं है. टॉलेस्ट मैन, हैंडसम मैन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, 3 times Grammy awardee, our respected Ricky Cage, international renowned Indian music composer, and we are very much happy. He is also alumni of the KIS University, receiving honorary Kosa last year. My lovable Kisian, he is a United Nations Goodwill Ambassador, UNESCO MJIP Global Ambassador for Kindness, and has been honored with numerous awards, including the title Youth Icon of India. Ricky Cage's music reflects his deep commitment to environment causes. So I am also grateful to you, sir. Thank you very much coming to grace this occasion and everything. And on behalf of the entire our family members, I welcome you, sir, within a very short notice because he was present in Bhubaneswar. He loves us, all of us, like anything. So yesterday he was in the Bhubaneswar for some program. I requested Ricky Kejji, why not you should grace this occasion as an alumni of this Key Sirsayam University. Anyway, so thank you very much, sir. I welcome you. And also, it is the program of our Chancellor, Pro-Chancellor, and also the Vice Chancellor. It's my great pleasure to welcome you all, and particularly I am always grateful to our President of Kit and Key Society, Srimati Sashwati Bal, for her blessings and inspiration to me to work relentlessly for the poor people in the state of Odisha in India. I am grateful to my other Vice President, our Secretary, and everybody. मैं आज सबका नाम नहीं ले रहा हूँ because it is a convocation, governor's program, very time limit, but still it is such a heart-touching things. मुझे क्षमा करना, मैं सबका नाम लेना बहुत मुश्किल है. तो बच्चे लोग, तुम लोग के लिए मैं एक हिंदी का शायरी लिखा हूँ. मुझे शायरी नहीं आता है, लेकिन मैं लिखा हूँ. तुम लोग को बोलता हूँ. ये शायरी मेरा प्रिंसिपल है. मैं यहीं पर आया हूँ, यहाँ पहुँचा हूँ. ये जो मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ, इसको तुम लोग याद रखोगे ना, जीवन में बहुत बड़ा हो जाओगे. तो मैं आज ज़्यादा किसी को एड्रेस कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मुझे क्षमा करेंगे जी. शायरी बच्चे लोग ऐसे है तुम लोग के लिए. लहरों से डर कर नौका पार नहीं होते. लहर से नौका पार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वाले की हार नहीं होती. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवार पर 100 बार फिसलती है. बुझीपारछ ना नहीं, मु ओडिया रे बुझाई देबी. मन का विश्वास रंगों में सांस भरता है. चढ़कर गिरना, गिरकर चढ़ना ना उखड़ता है. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वाले के हार नहीं होती. मैं तो इतना छोटा था, चींटी जैसे. चींटी देखे होंगे, व्हाइट चींटी, इतना छोटा छोटा मिट्टी लेके कितना पहाड़ कर देता है. गिरता है, उठता है, गिरता है, उठता है. हम लोग जब ऐसे इतना छोटा से शुरू किए, कितना गिरा उठा, कितना हम लोग को आदमी गिरा दिए, फिर हम लोग उठ गए. तो जीवन में इसको कभी नहीं भूलना. इतना अच्छा है मेरे लिए पंक्ति. मैं इसी को याद करके जीवन में आज तक यहाँ पर आया हूँ, इतना संघर्ष करके. तो ये तुम लोग के लिए जो ग्रेजुएट हो रहे हो, मैसेज है. मैं सब टाइम करता हूँ, कभी पिता माता को नहीं भूलना जीवन में. पिता माता को जो भूलेगा ना, वो सारा दुनिया को भूल जाएगा. तुम लोग जितना भी बड़ा हो, जो भी हो, कभी पिता माता को कभी नहीं भूलना. मैं ये बात सब टाइम किस में आप लोग को बोलता हूँ. और एक बार मैं सबको कृतज्ञता ज्ञापन करता हूँ. धन्यवाद, नमस्ते.